at the airport going to Florida. I might be posting at the hotel and showing you guys the tour of it. But I don't know, because it's the runway right there. Look at that cargo. Oh, where are the people? I'm just kidding. But, so right now it is, let me check, 8. Well, it's 7:58, but so it's 8, and our thing goes and lands at 9:50, and it's not delayed, so like an hour or two, half an hour. Oh, is that a plane? Oh, it is. Hey, what plane is that? Oh, what's up? I don't even know. Oh, trying to check. It's a Delta? It's a Delta, right? Oh my god. Yeah, it's a Delta. Oh, Southwest just coming in hot. So yeah, be talking about it and other videos. So yeah, bye. Bye.